Page 12, Go Tell It on the Mountain. So I look it over, I see it's 4 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. Glancing through it, I see quarter notes, whole notes, half notes. All right. Both hands are playing, but they're only playing one hand at a time, so I'm going to talk about both hands together here. Right hand starts with third finger on E, and again, I assume you know the notes in the music. I cover all that in the method book here. We just figure you know them. And the left hand, when it comes in, a second finger on A here, so we're here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Get the idea? Take a look at measure 5. Quarter note and then half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just hold each note out its number of beats and we're fine. Now I'm only counting to get the rhythm. Once I have the rhythm worked out throughout, I don't count it anymore, I just feel it. Then I go through it and I make sure there's no hesitations anywhere. Steady beat at whatever speed. The speed, I'll do that later. It's just right now, no hesitations. And then the dynamics. F is forte, loud. Whatever you think loud, don't get carried away. It's not super loud, it's just loud. Just loud, whatever you think loud is. You know, I'm just kind of heavy on the keys because I use weight to play. And so the heavier I get, the louder I get. The lighter I am, the softer it is. That's how I do it. There are different techniques for it. You can do it to whatever your teacher tells you to do. But here, I just feel heavy. Here, each note is heavy. Then the speed is brightly. Well, it's not a speed, it's a mood. But again, they don't always tell you the speed. They tell you the mood. And from that, you decide. Well, the whole notes are going to want to speed it up. You don't want to hold the whole notes too long. But the quarter notes are going to slow it down a little bit. So what's something that works? It's a happy piece, though. Now, the last 2 measures, that's C, that's tie, so you're going to hold that down for 8 counts. Well, now don't copy me. You don't have to take it that speed. It's up to you. Let's play it together very slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. Now, this is after you've learned it, because the starting point of the Play With Me section of the video is in the description, so you can go there anytime you need it. So I'll give us 4 counts. Yeah, but we're going to go slow. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. Off. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that. Now I need you to go up the keyboard again. So just pretend that middle C on the piano, instead of this C is this C. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. Now we're going to go back to speed now. Those are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you can play it that fast, okay? No hesitations or this won't work. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.